Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix notification not working after iOS 17 update. Notifications plays an initial role in our digital lives, keeping us informed about incoming messages, critical alerts and updates from our favorite apps. However, some users have complained about notification not working on their iPhone after the iOS 17 update. If you are facing the same issue, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to fix notifications not working in iOS 17 version. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our step number one is to restart your iPhone. If notifications are not working on your iPhone, restarting the device can often be the quickest and easiest solutions. So you have to open the settings, then tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting, then you have to do is ensure app notifications are enabled on your iPhone. So guys, if you are not getting notification for a specific app on your iPhone, often the most plausible explanation is that you haven't allowed the app to send you a notification. So you have to simply open the notification settings and you have to make sure that the specific app which is causing the issue that is enabled. After this, then you have to do is simply ensure that the focus mode is turned off. Focus mode on your iPhone can silence notification even when you are not actively using it. If you are not receiving notification, check if focus mode is enabled and turn it off to ensure all notifications are delivered without any fail. After this, then you have to do is check for network related issues on your iPhone. Almost all apps on iPhone needs a stable internet connection to fetch new data and deliver notifications without any interruptions. So if notifications are not working on your iPhone, you must ensure that you have turned on cellular data or Wi-Fi and check for potential network related source. After trying these steps and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is enable the background app refresh. Many iPhones app rely on background app refresh to stay up to date and deliver timely notifications. So you have to make sure that the background app refresh is enabled on your iPhone. To do this, you have to simply open the settings and tap on general, tap on background app refresh, and you have to make sure that the background app refresh is enabled for all the apps. So guys, after trying these all steps and you're still facing the issue, then our last step is to reset all settings on the device. To do this, you have to simply go to the general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix iPhone notification not working on iOS 17. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.